Today I have a KitchenAid dishwasher and I'm going to show you how to use this KitchenAid dishwasher. But before we get started, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it. So let's go ahead and open it up and look inside of the KitchenAid dishwasher. You'll see that there are racks upon racks upon racks. There's a rack at the ceiling right there. There's a rack below it right here. And there is a rack on the lower floor of it. Pull that out and you can see that there's a sprayer right there that spins around and a sprayer above the lower rack or below the top rack. And right here is where you add Rinse Aid. Now, Rinse Aid assists with drying the dishes by removing the surface tension. So you make sure you have enough Rinse Aid, and there's an indicator, the glass indicator at the top, to let you know if it's full. So remind yourself to put Rinse Aid in there whenever it gets low. Next is the soap compartment. You can put a pod in there, you can put liquid or powder inside of the compartment and close it. And above that, they have a part where you can put the pre-wash in if you want to add detergent for the pre-wash. You just sit it right there, and if you make a mistake, you can open it by sliding that button and popping the soap cartridge open. That is a steam vent, and I'm just going to close a little bit so you can see the controls on the KitchenAid dishwasher right here. A lot of controls, you see that? It's KitchenAid. But we're going to go through the cycles right here. We're going to go through the cycles, and we're also going to go through the options, plenty of options to choose from. I'm going to show you how to start it and cancel a wash. The first thing is the Pro Wash. Now that is the most aggressive wash that comes with this KitchenAid. A step down is a Tough Wash. That is just below the Pro Wash and above the Normal Wash. Now this is what I normally use, a normal wash. But when I'm in a hurry, I use Express Wash right here, which washes the dishes relatively fast. Now, if I don't want to wash and I just want to rinse the dishes, there is a rinse option that I can choose. It takes not a long time, but I'm going to set it back to normal. And right here, this is a delay wash feature. You can delay the wash from 2 hours to 4 hours, all the way to 8 hours. One of the options is the high temperature wash. If you want the dishes to have a high temperature, dissolve solids a little bit more. And there is a Sani rinse, which sanitizes the dishes as it's rinsing them. All right, so we have the high temp wash, the Sani rinse. We have the heated dry, which heats the dishes as they dry. We have an extended heat dry. And we have the delay feature, which I was talking about earlier, which I'll go over that one more time. You can delay it up to 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. And then without any lights on, that is setting it back to no delay. So here are the controls, the cycles, and then we have the options. And then I'm going to go over to the start button. So once you've made your selection, you can start the wash by pressing start. I'm going to do that over for you. I'm going to go to normal wash, extended dry, start. Now this is after you've added soap to the dishwasher as well as the dishes. And there's a cancel button, so if you make a mistake, you can cancel. So I just started it, right? I started it and I pushed the door shut. You have to press the door shut shortly after pressing start to get it going. And that's how you operate a KitchenAid dishwasher. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.